To set up a RiteKit actionable alert, you're going to need to create at least one TalkWalker alert. You can find their advanced operators for doing fancy things like this. So in this case, for example, I don't want any results that are coming from our own blog. Get the global RSS feed for all of your alerts. I don't want that. I just want this one alert. This is for all of our products. I'll click on the RSS symbol, copy, RiteBoost, new formula, RSS, paste, and then later you'll want to go back to this, and for example here I don't want anything from Medium because I know link ads won't display, and Fearlessly Creative Mamas translates any blog post into many languages using auto-translate. I don't want that. I can later add others as I find some sites, for example, block Writely link ads. I'll later edit the alert here, edit source. So then what I'll do is change this to RiteKit actionable alerts and save, click off to a different formula, click back on it, the name has been changed. Then you can change your enhanced settings, including which ad you want to use. This looks good. And then you'll get latest blog posts, news, etc. So you'll find with TalkWalker alerts, you can choose what type of sources you're getting stuff from. If I wanted, I could add Twitter here. Then what you'll be doing is, let me save what I did in Enhance, is select all or just ones that you wouldn't share first and archive those, and the ones that you would share you'd select all. Here I'm going to just select a few to show, hit Enhance, and I notice here for some of them there's no featured image in the page. So another thing you could do is use both create image and extract and then choose which you want. So I'm going to go with random for using all of my image GIF templates. I'll save that, reload, and then for example when I enhance, this is what I get. So for those posts that had no featured image, we just generated an image. And of course this is editable. Could choose a different image GIF template, edit the text, any of that. Also what I can do is use my tools in the editor, get hashtags from hashtags, for example, or even get an image. Can click in a hashtag, then get images, and I could choose those and add. And then I would choose which one I want to use for the image. Image source attribution was also added here. So there's that, and then here I've got two, and I would decide which image to use. In this case I would change the hashtag choices and save. But so use your actionable alerts for getting news, blog posts and such, even tweets, where your people, your products, your company, organization have been mentioned, so you can share to social.